Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 19th February 2024. Global buyout funds EQT, TPG Capital and KKR are among those evaluating the acquisition of a controlling stake held by CVC Capital in Bengaluru-based specialty cancer hospital chain Healthcare Global Enterprises or HCG. A rising middle class and an aging population have boosted demand for private medical services across Asia, which in turn is seeing massive consolidation and heightened deal activity in the healthcare sector. Smartphone manufacturers in India exercise caution in calling for Chinese nationals due to recent arrests and geopolitical tensions. Indian government is cautious in issuing visas. There is a trust deficit among Chinese component makers. Chinese brands ousted Indian smartphone companies. Government aims to prevent entry-level work in distribution and marketing from being ceded to Chinese nationals with a view to enable Indian talent base for such a role. Mizuho Bank, Japan's third largest mega bank with close to $2 trillion in assets, made its biggest bet in India with a Rs 4,100 crore capital infusion in November and followed it up with a Rs 1,200 crore investment in NBFC Credit Suisse. The IBBI has notified the insolvency resolution process for corporate persons Amendment Regulations 2024. A new Regulation 4D has been inserted which mandates the opening of a separate bank account for each real estate project by the interim resolution professional or the resolution professional. Further, the insolvency professional must place in each committee meeting the operational status of the corporate debtor and must seek its approval for all costs which are part of IRP process. The Income Tax Department has initiated a probe into political donations made to registered yet unrecognized political parties during the financial years 2020-21 and 2021-22. The department has issued notices to numerous taxpayers suspected of contributing such parties, aiming to investigate potential tax evasion and money laundering through these transactions. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.